Hello guys, how to fix Photos app error code 0x887A0005 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Whenever any users try to export their videos through Photos app, such type of error appears on your screen. Update your drivers to export video. We encountered an issue with your video drivers and when we are unable to export your videos. Please install the latest driver from your hardware manufacturer's website and try again. And to fix these issues in Windows 11 and 10, the first workaround is right click on start button, choose settings. Under system settings, go to troubleshoot option, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here look for Windows Store app troubleshooters. Run Windows Store app troubleshooter, and once the troubleshooting process is complete, restart your PC. The second workaround is update the graphics driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager. In device manager window, go to the display adapter section. Right click on your display adapter and choose update driver. This will update your graphics card driver. The next workaround is reset Photos application. Again go to Windows settings, choose apps, choose installed apps and search for Photos app. Click on three dots and choose advanced options. In the advanced options page, scroll down to the reset section. Click on the repair button to repair the Photos app first, and after that choose on reset option. The next workaround is clear the Microsoft Store cache. Type WSRECT in Windows search box and open. It will reset your Microsoft App Store. Once finished, restart your system. The next workaround is again go to Windows settings app, go to the Windows update section and click on check for updates. Install Windows latest updates to resolve this issue. Sometimes outdated Windows will also cause such type of error. Once finished, again go to app section, installed apps and reinstall photo apps. Look for Photos apps, click on three dot and choose the option uninstall. This will uninstall your applications. Once uninstallation finished, reinstall Photos app.